Redmi Note 7 unboxing and my initial opinions on this device. But before that, hey guys, I'm Avail back again with another video. This time it is about this Redmi Note 7. In this video I'm going to do a quick unboxing of this device, plus I'll be sharing with you my initial opinions plus some photo samples. And after that I'll be doing a series of videos on this device, so that we'll be checking on how good is this device and is this the best phone that you can buy under 10,000. We'll be checking on everything. So if you're new to my channel, then do hit the subscribe button to watch more videos on this, and if you have already subscribed, then a big thank you to all of you guys. So it says that India's #1 smartphone brand, right? Yes, it is actually at present. On the box it says Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 processor, 6.3-inch Full HD Plus notch display, 12 megapixel plus 2 megapixel, that is the depth sensor, AI dual rear cameras, plus it comes with 4000 mAh battery, and it supports quick charge. It's a really good thing. So let's do it quickly. Here you can see that it is the box. Okay. Yes, the first thing that you get inside the box, this is the GPU cover, I would say. Yes, it's a really good thing. Let's check what is the color, because I've got this black one, so it should be a black cover. Yes, it's a black cover. It's quite flexible, and it's good that they have provided it because it comes with a glass back, and the glass backs are really vulnerable to scratches. And this is the device itself. Okay, so certain things are being highlighted here. Okay, Qualcomm 660 notch display, dual rear cameras, 4000 mAh battery. Okay, what else we get inside the box? Let's check. Yeah, so this is the battery. Obviously it is not, if I'm not wrong, it is not a quick charger. Okay, so let's check. Yeah, so it's a simple 10-watt charger. So it is not a quick charger. So if you want to have quick charging, then you have to go for you have to buy a quick charger separately. Okay, then next what we get, this is the USB cable, and good to see that they have included this is a Type-C cable. Really good. Yes, it's a Type-C cable, so really good that under 10,000 you're getting USB Type-C. And before this, only I believe Nokia 5.1 Plus was having Type-C under 10,000, so they have also done it, so really good. Okay, so these are the things that you get inside the box. This is the charger that you get, this USB Type-C cable, and what else? Let's see. Nothing. Okay, some paperworks are there. Okay, so if you read these paperworks, then you can read. I don't know who reads these, and have you ever read it? Then do let me know in the comment section. Let's check the phone itself now. So here is the phone, and I must tell you that when you hold this device, you really feel that it looks really premium, and it looks really good, I would say. And I must say that over the years, Redmi has changed a lot in terms of build quality of their devices. Okay, so let me give a physical overview of this device. Here you can see that it has this. Let me unwrap this one. Oh, it is already on. I'll set it up later. So here is the black, the front is a 6.3-inch display is having. It is Gorilla Glass protection is there, and also the back is also having a glass. Okay, right. And it looks really good, I must tell you guys, it looks really good. Here they have this sensors, camera sensors, 12 setups, AI powered cameras. Okay, and this bottom is having this, let me show you that. Yeah, here we have the speaker grills. Okay. And I don't know whether it is having two speakers or just mono speakers. We'll be checking on that. Okay, and here you can see this is the USB Type-C port. It's a really good thing. Plus on the top we have this this IR blaster. No, it's a secondary mic. Okay, and this one is the headphone jack. And I believe that they have also provided, IR blaster or not, we'll be checking on that. I believe this is the secondary mic cancellation. And That's it. It looks really premium. You know, on the right you have these volume rockers, power button, and on the left side you have this SIM tray. Okay, let's check whether this is having the dual or hybrid slot. Okay, we'll be checking on that. So here you can see that it is having this hybrid SIM tray, so you can't use micro SD card if you want to use dual SIMs. So this is one kind of limitation, I would say, but still I would say the phone is really premium looking phone, and the internal frame is not made of metal, but still the edges are having this, you know, a kind of touch of metal, but still it is made of polycarbonate, but you are getting, you know, Gorilla Glass 5 on the back as well as on the front, so that's really cool. But only one thing is there, that it is actually fingerprint magnet, so you have to use this cover. So luckily you have this cover. Let me show you how does it look with the cover. And yes, it is looking really good. Okay, it looks really cool, I would say. So let me set this up and then I'll be talking about this phone further, okay, in detail. So the setup is done, and here you can see that it comes with this typical MIUI, and it is really responsive and quick. I haven't found any kind of lag yet. Yes, it comes with ads, but what you can do when you set it up for the first time, simply deselect the option called User Experience Program. Simply deselect that and it should reduce the number of ads that you see on the system. And I haven't observed any ads yet, so in my case it worked, so you can also give a try. Another good thing is that there are very few, you know, bloatwares, I would say, because I haven't found many. Yes, there are a few pre-installed apps, but you can uninstall those. Let me show you that. If I want to uninstall this, so that's gone, right? So this is how you can get rid of these unwanted apps if you don't want to use them. Now let's talk about the phone again. Yes, I forgot one thing, or I missed this when I was doing the unboxing. Here you can see that this is the eye blaster that we have, and I checked it with my, you know, AC, and it is working fine, so you can also use this. Now let's check the settings. About phone, here you can see that it is running on Android 9 out of the box, really good, and it is having this MIUI version 10. CPU is clocked at 2.2 GHz, and this is having this 3 GB of RAM. You can also go for 4 GB, but I believe that this 3 GB version is really value for money, you know, thing at present in India. Okay, I have also tried the Fingerprint Scanner, and it is really fast. Let me show you that. Yeah, so yeah, it's really quick, and even the face unlock is working fine. Let me show you that. Yeah, it is really fast, and it is faster than the Asus Max Pro M2. This is what I've found. So you're getting the face unlock also under 10,000, which is working fine most of the times. Now let's check about the media playback. Let's check the sound. Let me play one of my videos. This is the maximum volume. This time it is about 3 really cool, and I believe that this is loud enough. And the good thing is that the speaker placement is really good here, not here, because when you play games, if the speaker position is here, it is placed here, then you cover this, and it is actually going to spoil your gaming experience. So in this case it is really good, and though it is having 2 dents, but the speaker is here and it is quite loud. Let me show you that you might haven't used yet, but before that, yeah, it is loud enough. Now let's check the video quality. Let's play a 4K video to check the quality here. Here you can see that the picture is really good. The display, as it is having this full HD plus display, the picture quality is really good, I would say. The colors are really vivid and it's really looking natural. And because of this tiny notch here, you can see this notch, the viewing experience is better than the phones which are having bigger notches, right? It is really good, I would say. And in terms of picture quality, it's really good. Here you can see that the picture quality is really good. There is no doubt about it. Now let's talk about the cameras. It comes with this dual setup, okay, 12 megapixel primary one and this 2 megapixel depth sensor. Now let's fire up the camera app. Now let's take some photos. Okay, So here you can see that the shutter speed is fine, but it is not that fast, because if I click on like this continuously, then it doesn't work properly, because you have to wait for at least 1 or 2 seconds. But it is not a problem. It happens in case of most of the phones. Let's check the photo here. Okay, so it is fine. The details are fine considering the the lighting condition here indoor in my room. Now let's take one selfie here. The selfie camera is of 13 megapixel. Okay, let's take a selfie here. Okay, so here you can see that the selfie is fine, but it beautifies a bit. Okay, that's the case on most of the devices nowadays. It beautifies a bit, but yes, initial impression is that it is doing quite good. Not quite good, good. Okay, so let's check some of the samples, the video samples also, and then I'll be back again. So friends, here is a quick sample of the front camera, and this can record up to 1080p videos, and it is also having this image stabilization. So do let me know how good is this the stabilization on this. I'm working faster now, so let me know, is there any kind of difference with this stabilization? So here you can see the colors also. Okay, so I'm again working faster, right? So let me show you the colors here. Yeah, the colors are looking natural, I would say, but particularly the stabilization, I'm finding it a bit good, I would say. Okay, because I'm not using any gimbal, or I'm not using any other devices to stabilize the phone, so I believe that it is really doing good. Okay, do let me know your opinion, and also the the sound quality, because I'm not using any external mic, so do let me know. So here is a quick sample from the rear camera, and I would like to tell you one thing, is that it is almost twilight here, because it is around 7 o'clock, and because of that you might find some kind of noise in this video, but I'll be checking on this again during my full review of this camera. Let me check the focus again. Because of this low light, I believe the focus may take some time. Yes, it is happening. Okay, but it is doing good. Okay, you can see that it is doing good. And also you can check the sound quality, because I'm not using any gimbal. Okay, let's check again. It is almost really dark here, so you can see the noise. Okay, and let's walk quicker so you can check the stabilization. I believe the stabilization is really good. So I'll be checking everything in my in-depth camera review, so I'll reserve my comments on that. Here is an indoor selfie with portrait mode on. Here you can see that the skin tone color is really good, but the blur effect and the edges are not good at all. If you compare it with this outdoor selfie, then it is better on this one. The edges and the blur effect is looking better on this. But I have tried to do it with the rear camera and found that the rear camera is struggling to create the depth effect properly. Here you can see that it struggled to focus on this Ganesh G, so that's really terrible. Next one, it is totally artificial light, and you cannot expect more than this in this budget, so we'll be checking on everything later. And this front camera is also having this HDR mode, but it is not making any difference. Yes, it is highlighting certain shades. Okay, this one from the rear camera, closer photos, here the colors are natural here considering the low light condition. And next one also you can see that the white balance and the colors are really vivid here considering the low light condition, as I told you. Yes, this one, something I can say that really impressed me, HDR mode on this device. Yes, you can see that considering the low light condition here, the camera is doing good. Okay, but we'll be checking on everything in our videos dedicated to cameras on this device. Okay, so guys, I believe that this video has given you enough idea about this device, and I must tell you that this device, Redmi Note 7, is going to redefine the budget segment in India under 10,000, because under 10,000 you can't get this kind of device which is having such a wonderful build quality. The design, obviously the design is not unique, but the build quality that you're getting, Gorilla Glass 5 on the back plus on the front, it's really amazing. Plus the processor, 660 processor, Snapdragon 660, which is a really efficient processor, plus 4000 mAh battery, and the display is also full, full HD plus display. So that's really good. You know, it's a combination of all the good features under 10,000. Only drawback that I have found is the camera. It is not that good, but I believe that with some software updates they can fix it. And as I say that the camera is not that good, two things are there. The app is not that responsive. The app is a bit slow, I would say. Sometimes it hangs, okay, when you take photos or you take videos, so it hangs sometimes. So you can see that the battery, the processor, the display, the build quality, all the things are really good except the camera. But as I said, they should update the camera and it should improve. But if your budget is around 10,000, then you should go for it, okay? And obviously you have to compromise in terms of camera, okay? But honestly guys, under 10,000 you cannot expect any significant change, okay, if you compare this one with other devices. So I believe that this video will help you to decide whether you should go for this or not. Yes, obviously in very near future I'll be making more videos on this to compare this one with other phones so that you can have a really informed decision. So if you want to watch more videos on this, do hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends and help me to build my channel, or I would say our channel. So till the next video, cheers guys.